Okay, the key thing to these quadratics is to have a positive coefficient of x squared. So I don't want to have a negative in front of my x squared. So if you do have a negative, take out that negative like I did, so factorize by a negative. So this becomes positive, and that becomes negative. So switch around all the signs. The key thing is to have a positive in front of my x squared. But I can't factorize any further because there's no more common factors. Now, 2x squared is x times 2x, that's what you put on your left. And 36, I'm going to use 4 and 9. Because I know that 2 times 4 is 8. And 9 times 1 is 9. And then 8 and 9, they only have one difference, which is 1 here. So kind of think about it in your head. If you really can't do that, you could put 9 here and 4 here and try that, but you see you won't get the right answer. So if that happens, just switch it around and try again. Now I'm going to put negative here and a positive here because, have a look, 2x times negative 4 is negative 8 and x times 9 is 9x. And you can see we want a positive x. So I'm going to put negative 8 plus 9, which makes the positive x. That's why I put the negative here. Now, as I said, guys, if you do ever get confused with the signs, what I would do, I'd put x here and 2x here. I'd just put 4 and 9 without worrying about any signs. And then you cross multiply. So 2x times 4 is 8x. X times 9 is 9x. Now what do we want? We want positive x. How do I make positive x with these numbers? Well, I need positive 9 minus 8 to make it positive x, don't I? So I put that negative there and put that positive there. So that's how you can think about it. Especially with these ones, with these general ones, they do get really confusing later on, especially with the signs. So do what I did and then stick in the negative signs or the positive signs later on at the end, like this. Okay? That's also another alternative. I always find that useful as well. It's going to be, keep the negative out, negative x minus 4, 2x plus 9. That's pretty much it. So you keep that negative outside like that, and that's quite possible for you to do. Can you see any common factors? Yeah, I can see some common factors. I can factorize by 2 because that's a common factor. So we get 6x squared, 5x, and 21. So now it's a little bit more simple. We just need to concentrate on this part here. So I'll use 3x and 2x because that makes 6x squared, yeah? And 21, maybe I'll try 7 and 3. Again, the negatives you can put in later if you'd like, but if you can, try to put them in the beginning. Because we need to have plus minus to have a negative, don't we? And we need to have a negative here, which means the bigger number should have a negative. That's why I chose 7 as being negative, okay? So 2x times negative 7, that one, 9x, and add them together, we get negative 5x, yeah? Which is same as this. So 2 out the front, keep that out, 3x minus 7, 2x plus 3, okay?